Hey there, my name is Julian and welcome to MemberScript 130. And in this one, what we want to do is automatically submit the form when all of the inputs inside it have been changed. So there might be a whole bunch of reasons why you're going to want to use this, but I will just show you how it works. So first things first, we can see a form here with just one individual select, which this is often going to be the case. Let's, for example, set it to French. And as we can see, it is going to submit the form. And you can have this work with not just a Webflow form, but any kind of form. Then let me show you another one with two inputs. As you can see here, just doing that doesn't do anything. And then once I affect this one too, let's say Spanish, then it gets submitted. And then down here, we have one that has a select and it has a text one. So let's go ahead and write Julian. And then wait a sec, in case, let's say we want to type a bit more. And then click out of the input. And as we can see, it is going to be submitted. So that is how this works. Basically, it will automatically submit the form once all of the inputs inside it have been interacted with. So now let me show you how to make it work. First things first, you're going to need MemberScript 130. You can see it here in the demo project. So if you're watching this from the MemberStack site, then simply go ahead and copy this and you have it in the next tab. If you're watching this from the YouTube channel, go to the link in the description and you'll be able to copy the code. As always, do not put this where it's not needed. Just keep it on the pages that you actually need this to work on instead of just putting it site-wide unless you need it on every single page. Other than that, all you need to do is add one individual attribute, and that is ms-code-auto-submit. Just put that on the form, on any page that has a script, and it will work. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the MemberStack 2.0 Slack in the MemberScripts chat channel. I'll talk to you soon and have a wonderful day.